Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 GH Mazda 6 Luxury Sports Hatch, stock reference number 4148. The shape runs from the first month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear and the rear. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent. Luxury Sport radiator grille. Right-hand xenon headlight. Right-hand fog light. Left-hand fog light. Left-hand xenon headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left sill skirt. Left rear door has 1 large dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 2 long scrape dents. Rear bumper. Right tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right hand sill skirt. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, 6-speed manual gear knob, dual zone climate control, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player with Bose entertainment, display cluster, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.